Hello and welcome to our channel. First of all, Happy New Year to you if you're looking this as soon as it was uploaded on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an exciting new way to make more than $200 a day from home using this AI tool, CopyMatic. If you are tired of the 9-5 grind and looking for a way to generate passive income from the comfort of your own home, if you have an interest in how to make your life easier and want to learn how it can be used to make money, then this video is for you. With CopyMatic, you can leverage the power of AI to create unique, high-quality content for your website or social media channels. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or just looking for a side hustle, CopyMatic has something to offer you. So if you're ready to learn how to make money from home with using artificial intelligence, let's get started. So first things first. To access CopyMatic, you'll need to go to Google and type in copymatic.ai. Here we are. As you can see, we've arrived at the CopyMatic homepage. As soon as you're on the website, you'll notice that there's a list of different tools available. In total, there are around 50 different tools to choose from. That's a lot of options. Let's check some of them. For example, here you got the landing page generator. This tool allows you to create a complete landing page for your website in just a matter of seconds. All you have to do is enter some basic information and the AI will do the rest. Yeah, it's that easy. CopyMatic also has a variety of other tools that can help you grow your online presence and make money from home. For example, the SEO Keyword Ideas tool is perfect for increasing your organic traffic. You got the FAQ tool can help you create a comprehensive list of frequently asked questions for your website or product. They got this copywriting stuff called the AIDA formula, which is widely used in marketing strategies. And if you're looking to gather testimonials from satisfied customers, the testimonial reviews tool can help with that. Call to action generator that can help you craft compelling calls to action for your website or marketing materials. And if you're starting a new business or looking for a catchy name, the startup name generator can help with that too. Some people are making like $200 a day with that. We'll be showing you how to use this one and make money thanks to this tool, so make sure to watch it in its entirety to not miss a single step. Video scripts generators, social media posts. If you're making YouTube video, it will also help you for this. I actually use it myself sometimes and it saves me a lot of time. Well, that's a lot of tools as you can see, and you can search all of them from the top of the page as well. Let's say we want to create an Instagram description. You just type it, and that's it. They're regularly updating their tools and adding new ones. Here, they even added an AI tool to generate images. Awesome. If you want to check by yourself, I'll put a link in the description for you. So, it's pretty complete, but now let's see how we can use it to make money from home. If you're a freelancer, you're probably already familiar with Fiverr.com. This website is a go-to for many people looking to sell their services and make money as freelancers. Some even turn it into a full-time job. But it's not just for full-time work. You could also use it to create side hustles. Let's scroll down to the writing and translation section. As you can see, there are a variety of writing and translation options available, including writer, copywriter, translator, and scriptwriter. Let's click on social media copy as an example. Okay, so here you can see a list of people who will write social media captions and descriptions for you or your business. You can see the price for their cheapest service. Some start at around $14, but others start at around $70. Let's check out the top sellers. You can see that some of them have hundreds of reviews. These people are probably making more than $200 a day just by writing social media captions for their customers. And you could absolutely do the same using CopyMatic and the tools we saw previously. Let's give it a try. We'll go back to CopyMatic and pick the social media post generator for business. Okay, so we want a high level of creativity in English and a friendly tone of voice. Let's say it's for Amazon. We'll write a brief description just for the video, but keep in mind that the more details you give, the better the result will be. All right, let's generate this now. And as you can see, it generated 4 ideas. You can choose to generate more than 4, but let's be honest, these are pretty clean, right? 4 clean ideas for descriptions in just a few seconds. This is amazing and will save you so much time. You can also write articles and blog posts for companies or individuals. Freelancers offer low prices for small articles, which are often priced based on the number of words. So the longer the article your customer need, the higher you will put the price. With CopyMatic, you can easily write many articles in a single day and potentially earn up to $300. Let's try the article generator. Simply enter the title of your article and any relevant keywords. For example, let's say you want to write a top 5 list of cities to visit in Portugal. You could add some keywords if you want for the SEO ranking. If you're struggling to come up with subheadings, you can even let the AI do it for you. Think of CopyMatic as your own personal virtual assistant, but for so much cheaper. You can add, modify, or delete subheadings in CopyMatic as well. Now, let's click the Write My Article button.
12 seconds later.
In less than a minute, our full article will be complete. Keep in mind that this is just an example, and the more details you provide in the description, the more accurate and better the result of your article will be. It's impressive that CopyMatic can even add pictures to your article, making it even easier to create high-quality content. You won't have any excuses for not producing great work. You can check the SEO score on the right side of the screen to see how well your article is optimized for Google's search rankings. A high score is important because people want their content to appear at the top of Google's search results for more visibility. A score of 65 or higher is generally considered good. In addition to a content analysis tool and a plagiarism checker, CopyMatic will always create an authentic article that cannot be found elsewhere and is all yours. You now have a full article that has been written in just a few seconds. You can even add more content if you want to. What used to take hours can now be done in less than a minute. Imagine how many articles you could produce in a day. Earning more than $400 daily has never been easier. If you're serious about making money through writing, check now the link in my description and give CopyMatic a try. If this is not enough and you're a really lazy person, you can use the content rewriter tool in CopyMatic. Search for similar articles on Google according to your topic, copy and paste them into the tool. While this may save time, it's not the best option in my opinion because people generally prefer original content. However, it's still a helpful tool that can help you make money faster. For example, let's say you want to write an article about dogs for your own blog. You can find a random article about dogs, copy it, and paste it into the content rewriter tool. You can then use the tool to generate a new version of the article. You can even check the plagiarism for each paragraph to ensure that your article is original. If the plagiarism score is low, you can either rewrite the paragraph or manually modify it for more authenticity. Another way to make some cash is with this website, Listverse, where you can sell your top 10 whatever articles. You just have to submit your article to listverse.com, and if it's accepted, they'll pay you $100 for it. Once again, another simple way to make $100 every day using AI. Let's go back to Fiverr now. If you remember, I was talking about the business name generator at the beginning of the video. So here we are. You can see that people are creating business names and slogans on Fiverr, and they are paid for it. You can actually do the same with the startup names generator of CopyMatic, but I'll show you another way using ChatGPT. Unless you've been living under a rock, I think you've heard about this incredible AI robot. They're talking about it literally everywhere, and if you haven't seen it yet, I even made a video about some other ways to make money using this bot. I'll leave the link in the description. You will go to chat.openai.com and ask the bot to write 10 catchy slogans for a TV seller. And you can see the robot giving you answers instantly, and good ones to be honest. You can merge both tools, ChatGPT and CopyMatic, to have even more quality content. Look, we can even ask it to write some business name ideas for this same TV seller. And here we go. Impressive, isn't it? You could be a freelancer on Fiverr selling those slogans, business name ideas, or you can also check out nemingforce.com. If you do a Google search, you'll find more websites like this one, so it's even better to have more chances to make more money every day. On Nemingforce, you can participate in naming contests. Basically, companies will create a contest, and if your name is chosen, you can win between $50 and $500 just for a single name, as we can see on the winner's page. If you participate in different naming contests on different websites, you can earn $200 to $500 a day, and it won't take up a lot of your time since the AI will do all the work for you. Before we wrap up this video, I wanted to mention that thanks to AI, we have more opportunities than ever to make some side hustles or even work for ourselves full-time. With tools like CopyMatic AI, it's easier than ever to generate quality content and earn an income from the comfort of our own homes. So if you're looking to make some extra money or even transition to working for yourself full-time, there are plenty of options available to you. Don't let the fear of not knowing where to start hold you back. Take advantage of the resources and technologies available to you and start building your own path to financial freedom today. This video wasn't promoted by CopyMatic, but as I use it and helps me a lot daily, I thought it would help others as well. Anyway, I hope you found some value today, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to not miss the next opportunities. Until next time.